This is Amy Chan from CakeDecoratingSchool.com, and if you like cake decorating, you're in the right place. If you're interested in these products, you can check the links in the description. In this video, we are talking about portion scoops, specifically the 5 that we use the most. You'll notice on the inside of the release, there's a little number, right? And this one says 100. I can get it, so it's, yep, there we go. You can see it. And that refers to the number of scoops you can get out of a quart or 32 ounces. So this little guy will give you 100 scoops. This one, nice and big, will give you 16, right? So it's 2 ounces. So that'll allow you, just because it's generally an industry standard that the numbers line up for how many scoops you can get out of 32 ounces, to pick your size with relative ease. There's kind of 2 styles of handles you can see. One's where you're squeezing, right, with your whole hand, or the thumb release, right? And typically, the more you spend, the better the quality is. If you're doing anything really firm, like cold cookie dough, especially if it has particulates like chocolate chips or nuts in it, investing in a higher quality scoop will last you longer and give you better use. And typically, like you can see this one, it's a little more ergonomic, a little easier to hold in your hand. So that's just something to think about. But like our number 24, we use primarily for cupcakes. It's great for scooping standard size cupcakes. It's generally used for very loose batters, so it's not necessarily something we needed to spend a lot of money on because it's not hitting a lot of resistance for its job. So sometimes I spend more on things that I use for, say, cookies. I'm just going to go through what I use the numbers for. So my number 100, mostly small cookies, things like pinoli, thumbprints, Viennese crescents. A number 70 is perfect for mini cupcakes, right? And my number 50, I use for cookies and cake pops, right? My number 24, I use for my standard size cupcakes. And my number 16 is one we use a lot for large drop cookies. So think large oversized chocolate chip, oatmeal raisin. And those are the 5 scoops and their sizes that we use the most in baking. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to check out more about the materials and equipment we use, or just some fun inspirational ideas about cake decorating, you can follow us on Insta or YouTube at Cake Decorating School. If you're interested in yearly membership and you want to know more about what it entails, you can go to www.cakedecoratingschool.com for more information. And if you're interested in any of these products, you can check out the links in the description.